The midpoint is actually the point that's halfway between your two given points. So we got x plus x. So what we want to do is we really want to, the midpoint is simply the average or the halfway point. So we're going to take our x's and add them up and divide it by 2. We'll take our y's and add them up and divide them by 2. Let's take a look at an example. So in this example, we have determine the midpoint between 1, 1, and 7 and 9. So first thing we need to do is find our x's. In this case, our x's are always our first one. So we're going to take those. I like to simply make this really easy. So I like to just line my order pairs up. And then I 7 and 9. And I just simply add them up. 1 plus 9 gave me 10. 1 plus 7 gave me 8. And then just simply divide both of those by 2. When you divide them by 2, 8 divided by 2 will give you 4. 10 divided by 2 will give you 5. Therefore, the midpoint for these two particular points will be 4, 5. Because you simply add and divide. So you're going to add your x's, divide by 2. Then you'll add your y's and divide by 2. Now notice that when you're dealing with the midpoint, you're going to get an ordered pair. Midpoint will be an ordered pair. Midpoint will be an ordered pair. Okay, so just simply add up your x's, divide them by 2, add your y's and divide them by 2. Let's take a look at another example. So in this example, again, let's make it really simple. Take our order pairs and line them up. Just like we would do a basic math problem, adding problem. And we're going to add them up. -1 plus 8. My signs are not the same, so I subtract. So that'll be 8 minus 1 will give me 7. And since my 8 is bigger than my 1, I'm going to make that positive. Then 4 plus or -3 is simply minus. So it'll be 4 minus 3, which will give me 1. So now once I add them, then I'm going to divide by 2 and divide by 2. So 7 divided by 2 is going to give me 3.5. And 1 divided by 2 is going to give me 0.5. Therefore, the midpoint of these 2 points will be at 3.5 on my x and 0.5 on my y. What are your questions? If you have any questions, please be sure to ask me or Ms. Lyon. Alright, that concludes this video on distance formula and midpoint. Make sure you have your notes. Bring your notes to me so I can verify them so you can move on to your assignments. Have a good day.